Are you looking for the best heat press machines? In this video we will look at some of the best heat press machines on the market. Before we get started with our video,
we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
Number 1. Cricut EasyPress 3. The Cricut EasyPress 3 is a heat press machine that skillfully blends the speed of a heat press with the convenience of an iron. Suitable for beginners and seasoned crafters alike, it promises professional iron-on results in less than a minute. Its advanced heat plate with a ceramic coating ensures even heat distribution, while its 120 degrees to 400 degrees Fahrenheit temperature range accommodates diverse materials. This is a press that you'll have to use manually, which gives you control over each project at the same time as it consumes more time. Number 2. VEVOR 8-in-1 Heat Press. VEVOR 8-in-1 Heat Press is a versatile machine made thinking of sublimation, with numerous applications at its disposal. Its generous 15 inches by 15 inches heat platen, coated with non-stick Teflon, provides ample space for transfers and ensures VEVOR without the worry of scorching. This machine shines in user-friendliness, with upgraded handles that make operation easier and more stable. It's also crafted with thermal insulation and materials like aluminium silicate paper and thermostable sponge, enhancing transfer results. Number 3. Cricut AutoPress. The Cricut AutoPress is a professional-grade heat press machine that offers a blend of home-friendly design and commercial-level performance. It is designed to be easy to use, with a separate pad to adjust heat and time, making it quick to adjust settings. You can save up to 4 presets to change between easily. This heat press heats to the desired temperature in just 1-2 minutes. One of the standout features of the Cricut AutoPress is its automatic functionality. It is easy to close with just a gentle press down, and it will do the rest. It will automatically open when finished, reducing the risk of burning your items. The top is cool to touch with the use of a fan, which is pretty loud just for your information. You can also press thick items, which you can't always do with traditional clamshell heat presses, and that is an added bonus. It also has an auto shut-off feature after not being used for a while,